Hello children, today we are going to start chapter 8 book exercise. I hope you have done your difficult words and word meaning. Okay, now open your page number 66. Tick the correct answer. Mom had got Buddy home when Bella was 6. So tick on option A. Buddy's favorite activity is dash watching TV. So tick on B. Now come to third one. The homemade treat that Bella and her dad will make for Buddy is dash peanut butter biscuits. Tick on option C. Now come to question number 4. Where will Bella take Buddy to meet his friends? Park. Tick on option C. Now come to question number 5. The last thing of Bella's list is dash a family photograph. Tick on option A. Now leave the A2, come to A3. Bella hopes that Buddy will spare her things after she buys him a new chew toy. Tick the thing that Buddy likes to chew. He likes the slippers and books. Just tick on number 1 and number 4. Now come to B1. As you already know, some words can be broken down into two words. From example, birth plus day, birthday. Now fill in the blanks to complete such words. I like to sit in my arm dash and read. Chair. So your answer is chair. I add 1 tea dash of sugar to my tea. Spoon. So your answer is spoon. Now turn your page and come to page number 68. Wipe your muddy boots on the dash door before you come in. Mat. Your answer is mat. The boy had poor eye dash, so he had to wear spectacles. Your answer is sight. I have a bad tooth dash, so I am going to dentist. Egg. Come to question number B2. Read the clues and complete these words. Warm light on the sun. Sunlight. You hang your clothes to dry up on this clothes line. Stories of fairies you have heard. Fairy tales. You stop and wait when it's red and go only when it turns green. Traffic light. You need this to travel out of your country. What you need? Passport. Now come to C1. Read these sentences and answer the questions. Bella was 6 years old when her mom brought Buddy home. Buddy and Bella were best friends since then. Now your question number 1 is Bella still 6 years old? No, Bella is not 6 years old. Is the speaker talking about the past or present in this sentence? The speaker is talking about past here. Now come to C2. Underline the correct answer. Johnny dash in his best clothes on Sunday. So your answer is was. So just underline the was. We dash at our uncle's home yesterday. Your answer is were. Dash you waiting for me at bus stop. Were. Your answer is were. The kitten dash so mischievous. Your answer is was. My friends called me up to stay. They dash stuck in a traffic jam? Your answer is were. The children dash so happy to see the magic show. The answer is were. Now come to page number 70. D2. Fill in the blanks using these or words. First one is I like to dash pictures of birds and animals. Draw. Your answer is draw. I saw an earthworm and crossed the flower bed in my garden. Your answer is crawl. Question number 3. The little dog hurt his dash, so he was hobbling on 3 legs. Your answer is paw. The sun rose as the dash broke. Your answer is dawn. The farmer made a scarecrow from dash to scare away the crows. Your answer is straw. Now next, a young deer is called a dash. Your answer is fawn. Okay children, we have done the book exercise. Now come to page number 67. A2. Before starting, put a date over here because it's a date of that day and today's date is 15. We have done this exercise on 15. So put your date here. Now come to page number 67. Question number A2. A2 is your answer these questions. So this work you have to do in your copy. Okay. So here I have written here the answers. Question you have to write from your book, from your textbook. I have your questions is written on page number 67 and here also I have written the page number where the questions are written. Now it's your question number 1. Your question number 1 was, what is the first thing Bella plans to do for Buddy's birthday? So answer is, the first thing that Bella plans to do for Buddy's birthday is to take him for a morning walk on the beach. Now question number 2. What game has become boring? What new games has Bella planned for Buddy's birthday? Question number 2 and the answer I have written here. The game fetch has become boring. The new games Bella has planned to play are hide and seek and frisbee toss. Now come to question number 3. Your question is, what will Buddy explore during the car ride? And the answer is, during the car ride, Buddy will explore new sights and smells. Question number 4. What are the new things that Bella is going to gift Buddy? Answer is, Bella is going to gift Buddy a fancy new collar and a matching laces to suit his style. Okay children, you have to complete your question answer in your copy and exercise work in your textbook of chapter 8 with good handwriting. Thank you.